Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new n8n workflow, which is an urgent notification reporting, but without spamming. So this workflow is kind of similar that my workflow with the urgent notification, but for this one, you don't have to do any action to avoid the spamming. So let's check it. So we have 5 nodes. So we have the trigger when an urgent status is updated in your reporting. So we also get the row number, which will be useful to update the Google Sheet to avoid the spamming, but for this I will show you a little bit later. We still have the same condition. We have our email alert, and we have a node to update a row to avoid the spam. So let's check each node. So this is a trigger node like basic every minute. We want to check the column priority. Okay, so we get the row number, so it's a really simple node just to get this information. So for the condition, we have several conditions. So we need to have the priority, which is urgent, to have a row number which is not empty, so it allows us to make sure that we get the correct data from the Google Sheet. And then in the section notified, it needs to be empty. So I will show you a little bit later when I will do the demo, the Google Sheet, and everything will be simple to understand. Then we have our email address if the conditions are true. So it means that we need to receive the alert by email with a sum up of the information of the row. And then we have update row avoiding spamming, which allows us to update the row, and thanks to this we will be able to avoid spamming because one of the conditions won't be true anymore, and then it will become to false. So it's this condition. So now let's have a look at the Google Sheet. So we have a task owner, deadline status, next step priority. Okay, so I will just update this one. So we will put it as urgent. Okay, so now let's check the workflow. Let's execute it. It's a little bit long. Now let's check the email. We can see we received one email. Okay, so Patrick, results new bug today, escalation to be worked on. Let's check the Google Sheet. So we can see that before the column notified was not with a yes, so now it's a yes. So it means we'll receive the notification, and let's run again the workflow to make sure that we don't receive the email again. Okay, so I will execute it again. Alright, so we can see that the condition are false, so we won't receive another email. So it means our workflow is working perfectly. And so thanks to this workflow, you are able to receive a notification when you have something which is tagged urgent on your follow-up file or shared reporting, etc. So you can be aware as soon as possible that there is something urgent you need to take care of. So I hope this workflow will be useful for you. Don't hesitate to download it, and I hope you enjoy the video. I wish you a great day. Bye bye.